major broadcasters have put up these channels, and it is not the MSOs of India, but broadcasters have put up their channels because they want price hike as per the new tariff order 3, which is being implemented by the central government. So because of that, the agreements have not been signed by the broadcasters with the MSOs. MSOs are reluctant to sign the agreement because there is a price hike. Single price of a single channel has been made as 19 rupees. Like Star Prabhav, earlier the price was rupees 12. Now it is rupees 19. So similarly, the Star package was around 49 rupees plus taxes. Now it is 62 rupees plus taxes. So we are opposing this hike, and because of that the agreements are not signed. We want all the customers of cable all over Goa to support us so that we can avoid this price hike.